Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Malika, and I'm coming back at you with another hair review. So if you love everything hair related, make sure to subscribe to my channel because this is what you're about to see. Alright, so if you guys want to see how I installed this cute little bob wig, make sure to keep on watching this video. I received this wig from Cynosure Hair. I love this company. I've worked for them in my friend's channel too, so yeah, they have sent me this gorgeous fashion bamboo palette. Sorry for the noise, that's Riley and his dad and Reggie. It comes with a wig cap. It also comes with a band, and then that's just a couple straps, so if you want to secure the wig a little bit tighter. And it comes with lashes, and they look gorgeous, y'all. They look definitely gorgeous. Like, I love wearing these type of lashes. I love the hair. At first I wasn't sure because it's been a while that I haven't worn bobs, and I wasn't sure, but I think it's cute. But I think I need to cut this here. Hold up. I'm gonna just have to cut it. Alright, y'all, now it looks a lot better because this side is actually longer than this side. I love the style, but from the front it looked weird, so had to fix that. So that's all that it comes with the wig. So they have sent me this gorgeous bob wig. It is deep wave hair, if I'm not mistaken. All of the information about this wig will be listed down below. So without further ado, I'm just gonna be installing this wig on, and yeah, that's all. Alright y'all, so thank you so much for watching this video. All of the information about this wig will be listed down below as for the company and the website, the hair. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them on Instagram. They're a very nice company. I love Cynosure Hair. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys in my next hair review, because this is how I do, and I do it for y'all.